Hello and welcome to the Renkus-Heinz demo room here at ISE 2025. I am Brandon Heinz, product manager here at Renkus-Heinz, and behind me you will find our UBX8, which is one of the members of our UBX series of passive column loudspeakers. And the UBX series features our new passive uni-beam technology, which gives you all the benefits of digitally beam-steered loudspeakers, like consistent front-to-back coverage, dramatic reductions in reverberations, and grand increases in your speech intelligibility, all from a passive column loudspeaker. With additional features like our IP64 weather rating, EN54 certifications, salt spray, chlorine, and UV resistance, and 70 or 100 volt transformers, the UBX series is an incredibly versatile problem-solving tool that enables you to get great sound in all of your upcoming projects. If you have any questions about the UBX series or any of our other products, please visit us here at the demo room E8, or at our booth at 7D620, or feel free to visit our website at www.renkus-heinz.com.